Boom, Thundercloud here. Poems read aloud every day of the year. It's the 2nd of June. I am at the Oxley Wild Rivers National Park. This is Ode to a Nightingale Extract by John Keats. Oh, for a draught of vintage that hath been, cooled a long age in the deep delved earth, tasting of Flora and the country green, dance and Provençal song and sunburnt mirth. Oh, for a beaker full of the warm south, full of the true, the blushful Hippocrene, with beaded bubbles winking at the brim, a purple stained mouth, that I might drink and leave the world unseen, and with thee fade away into the forest dim. John Keats, Ode to a Nightingale. Sounded more like he was like celebrating some kind of wine. But anyway, I'm Thundercloud, and I will see you with more poetry for every day of the year tomorrow. Boom.